हेलो फ्रेंड्स। आज हम लोग एक थोड़ा सा नए टॉपिक के बारे में बात करेंगे और जिसका टाइटल या जिसका मेन जो कंटेंट है वो है एक रिज्यूम वेबसाइट। तो जिस तरीके से हम लोग पेपर पर रिज्यूम बनाते रहे हैं और भेजते रहे हैं या हम ईमेल करते रहे हैं अपने रिज्यूम को, ये उससे थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट है। और ये एक पूरी आपकी पर्सनल वेबसाइट होती है जिसमें कंप्लीट आपके बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन होती है और जिसको कि आप अपने जो आपका डोमेन नेम है उसके थ्रू आप शेयर कर सकते हो या आप एक लिंक के थ्रू भी शेयर कर सकते हो। और उसका पर्पस यही होता है कि आपके बारे में एक कंप्लीट इंफॉर्मेशन जो एम्प्लॉयर है या जो भी आपका पर्पस है वो उसको कंप्लीट कर सके। तो आज इसी के बारे में हम लोग थोड़ा सा बात करेंगे। और द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन which comes or which is to be answered is that what is a resume? So if I simply say that resume is a document which is created or which is used by a person to present his or her background, skills and accomplishments, or especially this is used whenever we are in search of some new employment or sometimes maybe as a fresher. But this resume website is more useful for a person who is experienced and have lot of things to share. It may be good for a fresher also if you have some really good content to share with your employer. So this is what is a resume. Then if I say that how a resume is to be prepared, so simple steps may include like you have to decide which type of resume you want, then create a header, I mean the main points, create a summary, list your experience and skills, list your activities, list your education, and list any awards, any achievements, when you have won them or by whom you have got those, your personal interest, and in last I have written this, etc., which includes all other things which you want to share with your employer. So this is simply a resume. You can collect this and you can set up this in a chronological order, maybe starting from the present to the past, or maybe starting from present to the, sorry, from past to the present. So it is as per your choice, but it is good to have those things first which are in present. Then you may be going backward chronologically. So why resume website? That question comes once we have an option of a print or once we have an option of email. But it is also good to have a resume website because one thing that you gain a competitive advantage. Only very few applicant may have sent you their resume in the form of a resume website, and it can contain a lot of things: photographs, videos, your social media links, and so many other things. And it is all the more important in this COVID-19 situation where everybody wants to know about you. I mean, your employer wants to know about you in detail because now they are looking for very specific skills. So it is all the good to have a resume website. How to create a resume website? The answer lies that first you have to choose a template. I mean, you can design your website from scratch also, but that will take a lot of time and that will require a lot of technical knowledge. So better idea is to have a website template, add a professional picture of yourself, add the relevant sections into it, add all smaller details also. You may go for an SEO of your website. I mean, it is up to you. If you want, you can. Otherwise, You can send the link or you can send the domain name to your employer directly. Make sure that it is mobile friendly. Create a printable version of your resume also. Add social media links. And after doing all this, ask for a second opinion from some senior person, maybe from your own industry or maybe otherwise also. Then you can publish this and keep track that how much your this website is visible to the concerned employers. So this is how to create a resume website. There are several websites which will help you in finding out or in building your website. As far as the resume website is concerned, Wix is one website, then Webless, GoDaddy is there. Then there are certain others also. You can search them and find out which one is best suitable for this. And if I say how a website resume looks like, I mean, it will be better if we go through some templates so that you get a real feel that how this website looks like. So I'm directly taking you to the Google, and I have written in this search that template for resume website. I have written free also, and there are several options you can go for. Like I am going for this template mo.com. This is a good website, and you can get free resume website templates. You can have a choice also. You can go for this mini profile. I mean, you have to see that which one suits best for you. Like easy profile. Suppose I select this stimulus. So this is an stimulus template. It is absolutely free. You can use it. And this will look something like this. You have this home, about me, experience, testimonials, contact. I mean, you can change these pages also as per your requirement. If you are a fresher, you may not have testimonials from other clients, but you may have testimonial from your teachers, your fellow friends. You will not have a column for experience, but you may have a column for projects or extracurricular activities, or you may have a column for your educational background, something like this. So this looks like this, and you can download this and create a website in any relevant software. How it looks like, I would just like to show you through this live view. Like this is about me. You can write about yourself. You can have a picture of you. You can have your skills. Then in experience, you can write, I mean, this is as per your experience. You will write your experience. You will edit all these fields. You can have testimonials. You can have contact, where you may have your email, uh, your website, your company website, your address, and you may give them an option also that they can send you a mail, say hello, write your message, send it will be in your inbox. You can have your all social media accounts linked with this website, especially your Facebook, Twitter, your website, your LinkedIn account, any other social media account which you want to be there, that can be there. So this is how a resume website looks like. So you can have a resume website like this. I have shown you a template that how it looks like. Yes, it is not free. You have to buy a domain name. If you want a domain name like .com, it may cost little more, around maybe 700, 800 rupees. But domain name like .in, .co.in are relatively cheaper. And for a resume website, .in is also okay. So you can go for that. Yes, you need a server space. Template, it may be available free or you may have to buy it. Then yes, there may be some development cost if you are not able to, you are not in a position to create your own website, then some development cost may be there. But once it is ready, I mean, it is all the good for you. And this definitely will create more opportunities for you to get a suitable job. So this is what I wanted to add. As far as resume website is concerned, you may create it and you definitely will have uh, some advantage of it. So in the last, I would like to say thank you so much. And if you feel it is good, you may go for a resume website. Thank you. Thank you so much.